This meeting is being transcribed and summarized.
What's good, everyone? All right. How's everyone doing? My London session just opened. All right. Gold, I already marked it, and now I will be looking for buys, and we are going to do NAS together. All right. So looking at NAS, start from the daily here. Things still looks like we got a bearish momentum here. It's so hard to figure anything out on this on the left. Just nothing but gaps. So on the daily we'll work with this, and then lower time frame we'll see more. All right, so previous daily can do high. And we got a previous daily candle low. See what we got in a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we use this. Previous weekly candle high. And this current week candle low. Alright, let's see what we got on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, there's a chance we could get we could push up from here, because this previous low, we pretty much rejected it. So there is a chance we could push back up, since we created this low at 18,825. So we don't need this previous daily low anymore. We're going to have this 1 hour resistance here. And I'm going to mark this demand. Okay. So right now, setup I would like to see on NAS is, since we created this low, we have this high. Is either this minor low gives us the break of structure here, and then we can look for buys, or if we keep coming down, then we reject this 30-minute or even the 15-minute demand, and then we can look to take the buys, anticipating the BOS here. So we'll wait. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, the Eduardo. I can't pronounce your last name, sorry. I'm good, Abe. What about you? Abel, I mean. Morning, Rodrigo. You had a sale, I'm guessing from the top. $31.70, but it didn't trigger. $31.70, that is. Oh, that is right here. You had a sell limit or something? Yep, gold is very volatile today. I was looking at it earlier. I'm like, damn, this thing is volatile. You don't even want to know how many pips this thing dropped. So this is not even Asian high. We'll start from here. It dropped 560. Imagine that. 560 ticks. So get ready for that huge stop loss. Gold should go back up. Yeah, that's what I'm anticipating also. Man. $200. We take go today, man. You're definitely gonna have to reduce your lot size. Trump was up to his shenanigans last night.
Oh man, that guy's crazy.
Man, City Rittenhouse freaking tanked.
I don't want to talk about it now.
I woke up tonight and I'm like, sheesh. I mean, last night. Man. Insane drop.
I'm assuming you guys took sells on NAS.
Yep.
I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
I took 3 NAS trades yesterday and I lost all of them.
Really? Yeah.
Wait,
My own fault.
so down in London you didn't catch the sales?
No, so I took the first NAS trade, lost that, and then I took my gold one, won that 130 pips. Great, happy with that. And then I took the first NAS trade in New York, lost that in 10 seconds. And then I took the second NAS trade, and I lost that even quicker. And then I said, that's it, no more.
Yeah.
Oh man, it was my own fault.
NAS was on one yesterday.
Oh yeah.
That buy was the one, but I hesitated.
Oh yeah, the NAS buy, yeah. That'd be super quick.
I couldn't even break this low here, pretty much. So that's good. Man, wow, yesterday you were cold to us. You just took that buy and you were like, okay, I'm gone. We didn't even know you left.
Actually,
Damn, what?
actually, I was still wanting to trade, but my internet cut out, and then it just wouldn't come back on for like half an hour. And then I was like, looking at it, I was like, fuck it, whatever.
I thought you were being rude.
Well, that's a safe assumption to make.
Sorry, I forgot to say good morning.
Oh man, I've been sat in drawdown for the last hour.
Oh, Jesus.
But it's okay. It's okay. I'm in profit now. I'm in profit.
Okay.
Man.
Come on, Goldie, to the moon.
To the moon, baby. I'm about to hit my TP 3150.0.
Man.
Where's mine?
Keep ticking away.
Oh, I just missed mine. Hey, back up, you bastard. Did you take your profit? Is that why it's coming down?
No. This thing's so volatile, it should easily get there. It should like overshoot the levels. It should like respect levels that to the point.
It is volatile. Does it have volume though?
Oh,
Man,
yeah, super
why you
volume.
gotta put the doubt in there?
No, I'm not putting no doubt.
It's got super. Yeah, these candles have crazy high volume.
High volatility, no volume. Just man, sometimes it doesn't make sense to me.
Man, Trump must have said some crazy shit. Like, goddamn.
Man. If I tell you, because of this stop loss, I didn't consider taking a 5-minute entry today. I'll be lying.
Man, manage your risk accordingly today.
Yep.
You asshole.
Man. Don't you fucking reject a pip before you bastard.
Right.
God.
Today, many new traders will get slammed because of volatility. That's why I always preach, because some people they don't even know how to calculate their risk. All you need to know is the amount you're willing to lose. Honestly, it does not even matter whether that amount is 5%, 10%, 20%. You, as a trader, need to know the amount you're willing to lose on every single trade. Whatever that percentage is, then that's on you. I know, all these internet gurus always preach, don't risk more than 1% or don't risk more than 2% of your account size. Well, that's all fine and dandy. At the end of the day, you as a person, you need to know the amount you're willing to lose. If that's 5%, if that's 10, 20, 50%, if that's your whole account, that's your business. That's what you want to do. You have to do what you're comfortable with. So that's how it is. If you like, risk 1%. If you like, risk 2%, 0.5%. That's your business. If you have $1,000 account size, hey, how much are you willing to lose? How much are you comfortable with? That's not going to make you panic. You have to know that. Once you know that, then whatever that percentage is, then that's you, because I'm not the one trading your account, you, not me. Because you have to ask yourself that, okay, why is it that some people risk 1% and some people risk 3%, some people risk 10%, some people risk 20%? Why is it like that? Well, that's because we're not all the same. So if this 1-2% risk that everybody be preaching, if it's really true, then that's what every one of us will be doing. We're not, because it's not true. Because every single one of us, we have to deal with this individually. Yeah, we're trading together right now. At the end of the day, I'm not the one trading your account. You don't have the mentality, the mindset that I have when it comes to making money or losing money. So, do you when it comes to how you want to manage your money? Make sure it's what you're comfortable with, though. Now, if you do what you're not comfortable with, then that's when you over risking, over leveraging, because you already did what you were not comfortable with. So now you're stressing, you're panicking. So, in my opinion, whatever you're comfortable of losing, then that's what you should go with. It does not matter what the percentage is. 2, 5, 10, 15, 20. Hey, that's what you want to do. Then go ahead. Some people might not agree with me, and some of you will, and it is what it is. Do I have any advice for beginner traders who is afraid of pulling the trigger of taking a trade? Okay. This is the advice I'll give you. If you hear and you simply just always afraid of pulling the trigger when you go live, but you find it easy to do when you on demo, this is what you need to do. Still use real money, because in order to get rid of that fear, you actually need to trade in a live environment. So what you need to do is trade with the least amount of money possible. Okay? Trade with the least amount of money possible and just keep doing that. The more you do it, the better you become at pulling the trigger. You start gaining the confidence. You would know it when it's time. Then you can go ahead and deposit more money, or deposit the money you actually wanted to. But start slow, start small to build that confidence. But whatever you do, make sure it's at least real money. follow along with the demo for a while. No, demo is not going to help. And even when you deposit the least amount that you can deposit, once in a while that fear will still come in, because no matter how small that money is, it's still money. No, as humans, we don't like losing money. But the reason why that's going to help you is because eventually you'll be able to pull the trigger, right? And then you're gonna start building that confidence. Before you know it, that confidence will kick in. Once in a blue moon, I'm still scared to pull the trigger. Does not happen often. Maybe in a year, maybe it will happen maybe 3 or 5 maximum times. I just can't pull the trigger. What I would say in my opinion, though, in my own opinion, in my defense, I really don't think it is fear of pulling the trigger. I just don't have the confidence that trade is going to work out. I pretty much don't believe in that setup. Sorry, Pai, what were you gonna say?
No, I just think that's really, really, really good advice. It's amazing how your mentality changes when there's real money on the table. You start seeing those big numbers.
Yeah.
Just gotta try and, it's easier said than done, but disconnect yourself from the money. Just don't. Once I enter a trade, I don't look at MetaTrader, because those blue and red numbers, those blue and red colors, they do things to your brain. So just watch the chart, manage the trade via the chart. Don't manage it via the monetary value.
Yeah. Kind of like this gold trade when it was pulling back after like missing my TP by 2 pips. I was like, damn, bitch, should I close it? And I was like, fuck no, I'm not closing it. And TP smashing 1 pip, bitch, do it.
And that's why I said hold me, Will, because I went straight back into
my
drawdown.
God, I missed it. You got me shitting me. Oh. No way.
Oh man, I don't know why I'm struggling to get above 50.
Yeah, I mean, at least touch it. What the hell?
Wait a minute, how volatile is
That's what she said.
How volatile is NAS?
Oh, NAS is super volatile too. I took a trade this morning and I kind of got scared because I didn't realize how big the volatility was.
I think this is good. I think it wants to fall.
Probably.
It's 5 minutes of why you pretty much fill the gap, and it's good at this low now is rejecting the game. I'm gonna see if it's gonna tap this again. Oh, break that low on the 15 also.
Man, gold. Jesus Christ.
hell? How did this I get in? Oh man, they opened the door earlier.
You got fucking kidding me. I should just put my TP at 49.9.
This is the reason why I didn't take the 5-minute entry. Because of this right here. That's why. And the aggressive push to the downside. It's too risky. Even though we rejected the lows and we only got a break of structure to the upside.
Oh, it's gonna get my BE.
Don't say it, man.
It's gonna do it.
Say it.
It's so annoying. I managed to close some at the top, but
Yeah,
really
closed a
wasn't.
little bit.
I drew a TP at like 260 pips.
260?
Yeah, it's only because it's where the daily PSC is. It's where it. That's that's where the initial drop came from.
Where's 260 at?
260. So on Forex it's 31.48.
Oh.
Anyway, that's just where that cluster of that little consolidation before it tanked was.
God, it's gonna come for the break even.
Son of a bitch.
God, shit.
You know what's really annoying is I still think this is gonna go back up.
Yeah. God. I knew I should have pussied out of this trade before my
You should have
TP.
pied.
Yeah,
You should have
exactly.
pied.
God.
Ah, there we go. Ah, and it slipped me as well. Twat.
Yeah.
Honestly, NAS, I would like to see NAS. So now that we pretty much have this, I would like to see it go up again. And then bank. And if it breaks the highs, we'll look for buys. Because now it's created a support here. So if this support, if you want to go up, this support should be the move to break it. But if it goes back up here and reject again, then we should come down. And if it keeps coming, then if it keeps coming down, wait for the BOS here. Oh yeah, Edwin. School was they had maintenance earlier. I'm not sure if they're done. If it's back up now, let me see. Oh, it's back on. Yeah, school is back on. Okay.
Yeah, it was down. Feel like 45 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Just for maintenance, I think.
Did it take you guys out?
Not me. Almost.
Gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it got me.
Hey, where did you get in? Well, at the bottom of this week?
43.1.
43.1. Oh, almost.
Almost.
If this was Forex, it would have stopped you out.
Yeah.
Beauty of futures. Oh man. Mm-mm.
Thank you. God. Thank you, Gold. My Jesus.
Sigh of relief.
Yeah.
I feel your pain. Yeah. Don't know what she's gonna do to us just yet.
Order working.
King, what are you doing at the moment? You buying?
No, I didn't buy it just yet.
Oh,
That's just
sorry. I was
pending
late.
orders I have on futures. Oh, nope. Wrong contract size.
Order cancelled.
Oh, wrong contract size. No.
Order working.
Ah, why did they have to get me out? Son of a bitch.
Oh, you heard that and ran to your screen? That's funny. Yeah, that might actually be confusing some people. Yeah, before I say depending order, I'm gonna mute. I'm gonna turn the audio, the sound off, and turn it back on. This candle is probably going to activate us. Do me a favor, guys, and smash the like button. We have not had 100 likes in a while. SL, how many pips? Man, this is going to be 200.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Okay. I'm in. Do I live in Texas? Yes, I do. Yeah. Oh yeah, houses here are big. Well, you still here?
Yep.
Take over from me, please. My
Yeah.
my RR is 1-to-1. Yes. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta use the restroom.
Oh shit! New hourly candle just opened.
Yeah, it might get a little pullback.
Yeah.
Should be good. A lot of room to the upside.
Yeah.
It might just be a little choppy around here.
Hey Ahmed. Chart looks bearish for gold. Yeah, I could see that, but retracement looks good. We got faded volume at the lows here, and obviously it's coming back up to find more volume. Ideally, you buy even closer to the lows, then you have even more space to work with, but gold's so volatile. I mean, it should get to this 50% area pretty easily if Abe's assumptions is correct.
Yeah. Lovely volume gaps that it's got to fill up as well.
Yep. We'll
All
fly
around here.
through that.
Yeah. The buys that we took, I took it right off that little iceberg right at the bottom.
Oh, yes, okay.
And it just feels, order flow, baby, order flow. I'm still trying to just cut the noise out there and just really focus on that one strategy, because Lucian's right, it will just show you so many setups. You got to ignore it because it will just fuck you.
Now, if you're like trading super, I don't know, super small time frame or whatever you want to call it, I would have my stop at the bottom of this current candle.
Oh, if you were like scalping on the 1 minute or tick chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where I was going wrong, because I was trying that and it just wasn't for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I couldn't do it. I was like, man, I suck at this. So now just combining, like one of the videos I sent, just combining volume profile, where it's cheap and expensive, supply demand, support resistance, heavy volume going into those zones, iceberg, whatever, reject, go the other way.
Yeah.
That's just what I'm just focusing on now. When I was trying to go into the micro detail and look at the 1 minute, the tick chart, it just, my mind just exploded. I couldn't do it.
Oof. Rejection. Man, it's kind of unfortunate timing. That had to be the new hourly candle.
Yeah, it just put the brakes on a little bit.
Yeah.
Let it breathe.
What's the stop loss? I think Abe's got 200. Yep, 200 pips. Yeah, super scalpers were stopped out, and you can kind of see it ran their stops consolidated as soon as it did it, and then pulled back in, up that is. So that was just like a stop on the smaller time frame. Otherwise, it should have stopped out and like really pulled back hard.
I just want to say that stop hunts do absolutely exist.
Yeah.
Like you hear, I see a lot on like Facebook groups and other groups that, oh, stop hunt said this, it's fake news, doesn't happen. It happens. They know exactly where your stops are. That's why if you ever see interviews with institutional trade, like old guys, old dudes that have done it for years, they will say, I think it was a Scottish guy actually, I forget his name, to try and put your entry where you think people would put their stops, and you'll see how much better your entries become, and it's like, yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. And the easiest way to know that stop hunts are real is because everything is based off of supply and demand. And when have you ever seen like something go on like 80% discount and then be like, psych, just joking, it's actually 120%, jacked up price, right?
100%. Yeah. That's why I think market value areas are so good as well. Just, knowing when to trade, lining it up with supply and demand.
Yeah.
Treat it like a car auction. You're never going to buy a car when the value is balanced. You're going to wait for it to come down to a certain value.
Yeah.
And then buy it. Or wait for it to go up and then sell it.
Yeah.
You're never going to sell it when it's a balanced market.
We kind of created like a doji under 15, break that doji, should be strong push up. That turns this area into a new demand zone.
I know you're talking about the tick chart, but we can't see their part.
No, I mean like your chart, 15-minute chart.
Oh, well, if this candle closes aggressive, you mean?
So you got the doji prior candle. This candle breaks the high, and then once we start pushing up, that becomes your demand zone basically.
Yeah, that's why I said if this candle closes aggressively, pretty much with a
Yeah.
gap. I go sleep to top step. I one tick. An alpha, except for take profit trader and mine.
Well, you gotta expect it from top slip.
You said top slip?
Yep. They're the best at slipping. They'll slip everything. Like 1 pip slippage, doesn't matter where it is, they'll slip you.
I mean, I feel like it's because I'm maybe trading micro gold, MGC.
Oh. There's been times where, you know, like I'll have my stop loss like just 1 pip below the low of like something, and it'll just touch my my stop loss, but it'll fill me 1 pip below, but there's no candle below it, so I know they're bullshitting. I know they're lying.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, Dex. I don't trade Forex anymore. There's no volume right now. Alrighty. Yeah, and that should break these highs. And Q should break these highs at this point. If it does it, once we eventually break above, we'll have a nice 30-minute demand here. Gonna be a while, but we will get there. Yeah, this really should go up. Because like I said in the beginning of this stream, when it comes to breakup structure, we only had it to the high side. We didn't have it to the low side, and we pretty much came all the way down to the lows. We almost touched the previous daily candle low, and we rejected. Not once, but 3 times. You should see it clearly on the lower time frame. So we'll see what good does. NQ is moving. Yeah, but we need NQ to break above this resistance now. That's what we need.
Nah, we don't need NQ to break. We need gold to break.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was just trying to respond to Eldorado.
choppy.
Why has the volume died so much? I really don't like that we're struggling at this point. Just go back up.
NQ break, NQ break. Well, let's see if it's going to close above. Waiting to either break 31.32.5 for long. 31.32.5. Oh, you must be talking about Forex. So 31.22.5 for shorts.
Oh man, Pi, what's the Delta telling you? What's happening?
Volume has gone from 800,000 per candle to 200. The current candle is 150. It's struggling at The PAC's just moved for the day, so we're going to be here a while, I'm afraid.
Oh, lordy.
But I'm pretty confident it will still play out because you've got that big volume gap above. So if we can just... It should get 50%.
Yeah.
Man, they should give 100%.
It will give 200%. But yeah, it's the volume's our problem now, not really anything.
Even if we're going to come down, expecting it to do it back at our supply again.
Yeah, the stop loss is in a great position anyway. So yeah, it's all good. We just gotta enjoy each other's companies, guy. God, enjoy our time together.
Tell a joke. Who's a comedian?
Oh God, he's got a joke. Someone do some stand up.
Good book above 4 hour 20 EMA, so we're gonna fly 100%. 20 EMA on the 4 hour time frame. That's actually not bad.
Oh man, I really wanted to wear my camouflage pants today, but I can't find them.
You can't find your what?
Camouflage.
Huh?
I said, I wanted to wear my camouflage pants today, but I can't find them anywhere. Dad joke.
Man. See you, man. Patience, yes.
Are you still holding your buy from earlier, or?
Only a tiny, tiny little piece now.
Yeah, nice.
Sold your profits for NQ. Huh. I'm guessing you took buys on NQ, I'm guessing? I mean, if you trade breakouts, it's not bad. Yeah. Buyers are trying to push this thing up, sellers also trying to push it down. And back inside again, NQ. What strategy am I using? Supply and demand. Supply and demand. I also take resistance or support setups sometimes, but my main is supply and demand. Do I use trend lines? Once in a while. Looks like it wants to go down again. And for NQ, the same S&D, yes. That is why I mentioned earlier, okay, if we get closure above this resistance, and looking at the 30-minute, we would have, that should give us, we'll have this demand. We already have a demand here on the 30-minute. I just need to see a break of structure, a break of this 1 hour resistance. So which I'm expecting NQ to do actually, but thank you, Ryan. Speaking of trend lines, I believe we do have here from this low, you got this. I call that inner trend line. And we got from this low, you got one like this. Actually, this that got taken out, of course, and now you got this. Oh, okay. Not bad, Ryan. Did I check the volume last night when Top was speaking? Oh, I was asleep. Yeah, when I woke up, I saw Nas drop. That was a crazy drop.
Gold was twitching all over the place. Oh, snap, coming down. Oh.
Yeah, it consolidated there too long.
Man, tomorrow is NFP.
Oh, damn. Today's Thursday? Shit.
It's been NFP week. could reject off of this 15-minute demand. Or if we have one on the 5, we could do it on the 5 because, man, I would be surprised if we actually don't go up.
I think there's pretty decent probability now that it's gonna come back down and might create a big old gigantic range down here. Is the volume picking up yet, Pi?
Yeah, the wrong way though.
Jesus.
No, that was a bit of a spike. Although it got really negative very quickly, but it didn't actually travel that far.
Okay. Well,
So
hopefully they're
I
just
think,
buying it.
yeah,
This can be another day of loss and good and make it back on NAS. Man, hopefully not.
God, I hope not. Fuck. I'm not relying on NAS ever again. Why did I do that? 3 trades. Stupid.
New York?
But no, one in London and then the 2 in New York.
Yeah.
I even said it. I said it live on YouTube. I said no, I don't trade NAS. I'm not doing it. But then I did it.
Yeah.
And I feel bad because I feel like I ruined your 100% streak.
There's a major demand zone on Forex at 3108. Maybe check on futures. I mean, we got a 15-minute. We're still reacting to the 15, but we also have a 5. That's why earlier I said if this 15 does not hold, then probably the 5. Actually, let's just switch this back to, 15. See if that will be the one to hold.
It actually looks good. It came down. Some big buyer stepped in.
Yeah. It will look good once it flips bullish and break this high.
Yeah. It would sound good too and go ching.
Yep. Right now it's just rejected.
It looks like it needed that little aggressive drop just to get to a better value for buyers to step back in. So let's see. Sellers just won't fuck off though. They keep coming back in.
They just won't go away.
They keep stepping in right at the.
Do we only trade NQ on NY open? We trade gold also. Oh, you meant when we prefer to trade NQ? Yes, prefer to trade it after NYSE open. Yeah, NQ. My trading live as well. Oh yeah, same thing I do here. That's what we do during NY session as well. I don't believe in sending signals, and that's why I don't do it. You catch us at NYSE. Yes, signals are crap as there is no guidance and just going in blind. Yes. Better to understand, and if there's a signal and it lines up with your analysis.
Looks like a 24-hour stream.
Oh boy.
Oh, is Lucian here? I heard his voice. Oh, he's not here.
That was Wall, I think.
NQ still trying to break.
Oh.
Don't use any indicators at all, not even EMA or RSI. EMA, I barely use it, but I have used them before. And when I did, it's usually the 200 EMA. But I barely use them. And they splash delta force. I'll be right back, guys. Wow, please take a break from me. Hope I, or two of you collaborate. That would be good too.
Do you want a collab, Wall?
Sure thing. We got unemployment and PMI news for New York.
Amazing. I really don't like that we just sat here.
Yeah. Low volume, that's never good. It's like prepare for job nonsense.
It is looking like it wants to come down. I don't like that.
What is this? Hourly candle? New hourly candle again? Yeah, we've been here for a while.
I know. I was just thinking. I was like, shit, is that another hourly candle? Yeah. Has that got a top wick? What's it? A little one. Tiny one. Yeah, this is now the PSC for the day, so that's why we're just literally going sideways on it.
Yeah. On the bright side, it's at the upper side of this range down here.
Yeah, yeah.
Elder Beef says that 5 candles can't do shit to that one big bullish candle, so that's good. Makes sense.
Yeah, I'm thinking these little jolts down are just finding better value.
Yeah, since the volume's so low, it has to find where
Yeah.
the people are.
I'm just looking at it. I am still confident it's going to work out because I just keep looking to the top. It's like a massive gap where price hasn't been above this shit. So it should fill all that up. I just think we're just going to have to suffer for a bit.
Yeah, hopefully it fills it up. Jesus. Man. Trading.
What
It's the
time?
best.
You know what? It is. I couldn't do this alone. Like, I have to have noise and people talking and other people around me because it's like, imagine just sat here looking at this completely on your own.
Brutal.
What time is it there, Wall? Must be Thursday night. It's Thursday night for you?
Yep. 8:08
Wow.
p.m.
Wow. I kind of like that because I feel like you've had the day. You know, you've got your shit done that you need to for the day, and now you can just really focus on trading. Like here in the UK, it's, you know, got to get shit done. My phone can still ring. Like,
Oh, yeah.
you know, it's like middle of the day.
Oh, what trade did you take during London yesterday on NAS? Buy? Sell?
Let me see. What was it? It was. Where was it? Yesterday. Yeah, it was a sell. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, so got clapped.
And it wasn't Abe's trade.
Yeah, I thought we took a sell.
Oh, so you took Abe's trade.
Yes, I did. Yeah, I took NAS. Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was your own trade.
Oh no, I didn't. I don't trade NAS on my own, and I don't know why I did it. I think because gold wasn't doing anything. So.
And
But
then
I did
New
take
York,
that.
you took 2 sells?
Yeah. No, I know because it's annoying because I got all my money back on that gold sell I took.
Oh, yeah.
Directly afterwards. So I was like, okay, that's cool. And then I had a brain fart.
It happens.
I thought there's no way I'm gonna lose 3 in a row. No way. And I did. Man, what was great was not great, it sucked, but yesterday I think Abe did it completely by accident, bless him, but he entered the gold sell, but I think I think Kildebeat said he actually put a buy limit on, and it went straight to his TP, which he thought to put a stop loss.
Wait, when was that?
Yesterday, that was the first New York trade.
Oh,
Oh man, it was so funny.
traded
We were like,
gold in
what
New
the
York?
oh, there was the NAS. Yeah, the NAS trade.
Oh, Nas.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm confused. You said gold or Nas?
NAS. So
NAS.
we took put a NAS sell order on,
Yep.
but it was actually a buy limit, but I sold it.
Uh-huh.
And so when it hit my stop loss, it actually hit his take profit.
Wait, so Abe fucked up?
I think he might have pressed the wrong button. I think that's what's happened. I think that what happened.
Oh. Huh.
It was just chaos, pure chaos. And so that's why I was like, for the third one, I was like, okay, this has got to work out now. You know, pure by rule of logic.
I did take a look at Nas. Like, if I was, if my internet didn't cut out, I would have taken 2 sells. The first one would have stopped me out, but then the second one would have worked. It was like right up towards that first big move up, and then like made a couple of dips down, and I would have gone faked out on the, I think it was like the second dip I would have taken, and then came up, broke the high one more time, then dipped for the third time.
Nice. I thought you took the buy. You were done. I thought you took that buy.
Oh, I did, but I didn't catch like that whole move. I did not expect that. Oof, gold looking ugly. I can see like POC on these candles, high, low, high, low.
Yeah, kind of. Volume's picking up though, and
Oh, that's good.
there's a lot more buyers. So I just, like I said, I'm hoping it was just trying to find the right value to get buyers in.
Yeah.
But these sellers keep appearing at the top of the candles, so it's a bit, yeah. We shall see.
Oh man, it broke that low. That's not good. Or that candle wick.
Yeah, let's see.
Man, drop it.
It's just if these guys can hold here, that would be nice. Yeah, nice. We're getting some good volume now, so we're going to find out either way, guys.
Hey, just met. Good morning. There's a chance Nas might drop there. Man, build is really tripping. Each time the buyers try to push this up, the sellers just end up getting in at the top again.
Oh, nah, looks bad. Giant range. Giant range. Shit.
Oh, let's see what happens at this 5.
I will be looking for a little buy setup down here.
Yeah, because if the 5-minute holds, we should go back. Question is, will we be able to break above this double top now? And if it breaks, man, it should definitely continue. This new 5-minute candle is gonna have to start pushing up if this is going to hold. And if we close above these highs, now might move my stop loss to this low, below this 5-minute demand that held. This shouldn't come back at that point to break that.
That wall just entered that.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I need to see it break higher.
Oh man.
All right, let's try.
You broke a high on a tick chart.
Yeah.
What tick are you using? 100?
Right now 50. Oh, back and draw down. Doesn't look good.
Is there such thing as sniper entry? Well, I don't know. All I know is when I tried it, it didn't work for me. If this 5-minute demand actually holds, we should go up. Five-minute demand. We are the 5-minute demand right now. Like we have a nice bearish candle closure on the 15. If we can get a nice bullish 15-minute bullish candle, then that will give us a nice support, and that should freaking drive us up. But we'll see. That's good be golden sometimes.
Got a higher high happening down here. Perfect. Oof.
Yeah, there's a massive trap seller at the bottom of that candle. It's got wiped out. Come on, baby.
I thought I was gonna take my stop, man. Missed it by like 3 pips.
Oh, your stop was at the lows?
It was just a little bit below that current candle low because I had a little structure to the left to work with.
Oh, man, good thing you didn't put it right at the one they formed.
Yeah.
And you used the one to the left.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna get me. It was just so close. Now target retest of the highs, and then hopefully breaks.
Hey, Ronnie, how you doing? NAS on FX looks like it's rejecting 5-minute supply. No, I wouldn't take a sell now. 5-minute supply is up there. This is the supply you need to use, not this one. Because remember, even though we rejected this high, right? We rejected this high, you still have this high low to work with. Okay, from the momentum to the downside. So this 5-minute demand could, man, this 5-minute demand here could hold. And also the fact that we did not close above. If you go to the 15-minute, we did not close above. 30 did not close above. Of course, 1 hour did not. So looking at the 5, this 5-minute demand could hold and eventually break these highs. Or even though if this 5-minute holds, we could still go back up to that 5, reject again, and if it does, we take it. So what I would do is to just wait for that if you're looking for sales. And for me right now, if I want to trade this, of course I'll be looking for the sales for 2 reasons. Looking to the left, we are still bearish, and if we can tap that supply, I will look take sales. And also because this high we didn't close above, we pretty much rejected it and came down. You're welcome, Alex. Yeah, Cash. That would be a good sign too if this current 15 engulfs the previous 15-minute candle. Currently pulling back. Five-minute closed above the previous one, but man, that's just only 5. And that this previous 15, shit, that's not even a candle. That's a week. Yeah, it's golden, not going. Oh, you meant the 5-minute demand. I mean, if we actually closed above, then I'll say, okay, yeah, there's a chance we could go up from this 5-minute, from this 5-minute demand. But the fact that it did not close and instead it rejected twice and then came back down, I mean, there's a higher chance this might fall than buying. So to be safe, just wait for the highs to break again. Or you can take the buys if you want. But for me, that is what I will wait for at this point. I'd rather it come down to this one at the lows. If that rejects, then there's a chance. Man. Good for the week already, so not gonna over risk, okay?
Jeez.
Yeah, kill the bitch. She is golden. It's official. The fact that it's even doing this at a weak resistance is crazy. Resistance that did not break any lows.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't take the week. Yeah. What time? What do you mean, what time? Oh, you're new here? Welcome, welcome. But what do you mean by what time? Oh, time frame. Oh, this is the 15-minute. Yep, M15. Can I zoom? What, you want me to zoom the candles? Are you on your phone or a computer? Because you can maximize your screen on YouTube. Is it hard to see? Is it hard to see my chart, guys? Is it on YouTube? Is it hard to see my screen or something? Am I taking a trade now? We're already in a trade. We're in buys. No, but you got a few big screens. Oh, okay. Alex said, let me flex. The chat is good. Okay. He said, damn right. Say hello, buys. What am I taking, man? I already said I'm in buys. To you, it looks like a buy. That's what it looks like to me too, and that's why I took buys. We've taken trades where we took it and it was just, man, straight to TP, no drawdown. And we've taken trades, we had to get in drawdown before it actually went our way. So, it is what it is. Drawdown is part of the game.
Yeah.
Just like our losses are part of the game. The goal you need to have when you trade, your goal shouldn't be you like trying to avoid losses, because no matter what you do, it is going to happen. There's nothing you can do about it. Your focus should be making sure you win more than you lose. And for me personally, once I take a trade, and this is the mindset that I have. Once I take a trade, I already know it's two possible outcomes. I'm either going to win or lose it. Do I want to lose? No, I don't want to lose. But I have to make sure that I understand the fact that this trade is two possible outcomes. I'm going to win or lose, so that if the opposite happens, meaning if I lose, no, I won't be, too mad about it. I won't get too emotional about it, so that I don't freaking make a stupid decision. That's just another way for you to control your emotions. Okay, do I want to win every trade I take? Absolutely. Okay, I wish that's possible. And don't we have news today, though, in New York?
Yeah, we do.
Oh man, 30 minutes after NY open. Yeah, news open till 9. Okay. So after the first news, we have about an hour 15 minutes before the next one. And And then tomorrow we got a big one.
Jesus, Gold, what are you doing? Oh, uh-oh.
It should push back up. London has been embarrassing for gold this week. Not really. You did not see gold dumping. Man. We'll see. We shall see. Volume is just awful. Hey, even though the volume is awful, hey, we should be going up. Yep, our is about to close.
Oof, man, that's a nasty hourly candle.
Oh, you didn't know what was going on?
Oh no, I cast zoned out.
Yeah, it's looking horrible. You need those buys to step back in here.
Yeah, this previous candle that just closed shows volume.
Oh. Now's the time, buys. Now's the time.
Now is 100% the time. Below the wick, man. I don't want it to come below the wick. The stop loss is right there. Yeah. Come on, buyers. Now is the time. There's a 5-minute demand that is reacting to also. Man. Ooh. Damn.
It's that gold's reversing now, I think.
Ooh.
Order filled.
Order Stop cancelled.
Hmm.
Damn. All right. Okie dokie. On to the next. We'll start with go again tomorrow. And we'll try again though in New York. All right, YouTube. That's it. Took a loss. It's okay. We'll come back again tomorrow. Stronger. All right. So God bless you all. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow again. All right, guys. I'm gonna see you though in LY session.
Thanks, Abe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.